this is Shannon at MarineMax in Fort Walton Beach, Florida, and today we're going to be looking at the 235 Freedom. This is a brand new 2021 model. We just got it in. It's in a beautiful sea glass green. The first thing about Grady's that they're known for is their quality and their hull. Their CV2 hull. It has the softest, driest, most stable ride in the industry. This particular boat is equipped with a Windlass Anchor. You see it's got the nice hard top with the sea glass green undercoating. As you look right up here, the hard top also has the extension for the shade to cover the cockpit. On the rear of the boat, you'll see back here at the transom that it has the Yamaha 300. Plenty of power for this boat. This boat will run about 45 miles an hour across the Gulf, and it's plenty of power. As we're standing up in the rear of the boat, let's look at some of the key features of this model. Of course, Grady always has their live well in the transom, along with their fish box. Plenty of room for your catch. Patented seat if you have a lot of guests. Also, this particular boat has the electric lounge, which goes back and makes L-shaped seating. You can extend this back if you got a lot of folks on board. It's a great family feature. Of course, you got a nice companion seat, plenty of room. Flip-up bolster on the captain's chair right here at the helm. Of course, Grady is known for their Captain Grady app, which comes with it each Grady you purchase. Plenty of room in the head, nice teak flooring, little door that opens to the back if you've got some rods you want to store in the boat. More storage under here. Then of course you've got insulated boxes on either side, along with your access to your Windlass Anchor right up on front. This is a perfect boat if you want to fish, if you want to take the family out for a day of cruising. It'll do it all.